Welcome back. I am Mr. Chang. Steamed eggs, packed with protein, so nutritious. Today I will show you the right way to make it so it's like jelly. Start off by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk well. We need to stir for a while before adding in some salt. Steamed eggs are very popular in China amongst the elderly and very young. By adding in salt, the eggs will set quickly. Next, we add in some lukewarm water. The ratio of water to egg is 1:1. Mix the eggs and lukewarm water well together. Pour your egg mixture into a sieve. This will drain out all the bubbles and your steamed eggs will not have air pockets. The sieve will catch parts of the egg mixture which are not needed. When you have finished sieving all of your egg mixture, there may be bubbles floating on the top of the bowl. Burst floating bubbles to prevent air pockets. Prepare a steamer, bring water to the boil and reduce heat to low. Carefully place your egg mixture into the steamer and cover with a plate. The plate will stop the water droplets from falling into your egg mixture. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Turn off the heat and allow 5 more minutes before lifting the lid. This will ensure your eggs set properly. Carefully remove the lid. These steamed eggs are much more healthier than fried eggs and delicious for breakfast. Whoa, look how well the eggs have formed. The surface is as smooth as jelly. Cut the eggs into whatever shape you like. Then the next step is to add in some sesame oil. The sesame oil will make the eggs taste delicious. For extra flavor, add in some light soy sauce and spread the soy sauce all around the eggs with a spoon. To finish off the steamed eggs, finely chop some spring onions. Scatter the spring onions over your steamed eggs. Lovely jubbly. Thank you for watching.